This is the front line of human health. Stay tuned and subscribe for the full breakdown.
Welcome to the hidden world of luxury fashion manufacturing, where technology and craftsmanship create garments of and skilled technicians ensure every piece meets the highest standards for global luxury markets. The material sourcing operation begins as procurement teams work with suppliers to select only the finest fabrics. Quality control specialists examine incoming fabric shipments, preserve quality during extended storage periods.
We begin by inputting measurements and fabric data into the system. The software generates optimized patterns, accounting for drape and stretch. We then project the full pattern onto the cutting is perfect before production. Our automated cutting systems execute patterns with mechanical accuracy, far exceeding manual methods. Vacuum hold-down silk fabrics, guaranteeing flawless quality and durability. Examining construction details and finishes.
Testing seam strength now.
Color fastness and wear resistance are next.
Logging data for quality control. Each garment is folded using acid-free tissue to prevent wrinkles. A protective wrap is then applied to guard against moisture. Detailed labels with care instructions are affixed. Finally, the package is sealed and ready to... Global distribution for luxury garments requires complex logistics to meet rising customer expectations for quality and spores, using advanced systems for real-time tracking and efficient global delivery.
This facility combines technology and craftsmanship to create luxury garments, meeting global demands for quality. Advanced systems ensure efficiency and sustainability.
Advanced quality systems monitor manufacturing through data analysis, identifying trends and enabling continuous improvement.
Statistical process control tracks key indicators, providing early warnings for quality actions.
Collaborative robots work alongside skilled technicians to perform repetitive tasks. Machine learning algorithms optimize production for continuous improvement.
In specialized labs, advanced equipment tests materials and products against global standards for quality, durability, and compliance. This analysis drives improvements, preventing issues before market release. Advanced inventory systems enable precise tracking of materials throughout production. Real-time visibility from RFID systems reduces search time and prevents shortages. Automated storage and demand.
Our systems coordinate materials, equipment, and personnel to optimize efficiency. Capacity planning identifies bottlenecks. Real-time tracking ensures quality and on-time delivery. Our sustainability commitment optimizes energy via advanced systems, reducing costs while the water-based ration programs improve cutting footprint initiative, ensure environmental standards and competitive performance. Comprehensive quality documentation systems maintain detailed records of all manufacturing processes on quality control results. Statistical process control charts track key quality indicators over time. Initiating high-speed material flow to optimize production. Components en route to assembly, monitoring quality metrics. Alert! Activating emergency responding, no bottlenecks. Safety first. Initiating rapid inspection sequence on the fabric components. Visual check complete, flagging for automated imaging scan. No variations detected. Real-time report logged. Efficiency metrics are optimal. Check the alignment. Seam integrity is critical. Confirm stitching at optimal speed. Initiate transfer to next station. Components verified, up 12%. Quality holds. First, we inspect the garment and prepare the packaging. Next, we wrap it to prevent any damage. Then we apply the shipping label with all required information. Let's verify this batch for global distribution.
Quality control is complete, ready for shipping.
Good. How is inventory for the next cycle?
Levels are optimal. Systems show real-time updates.
Our real-time data shows efficiencies at 92%.
Good. Any quality alerts?
Yes, a minor tension variation. The system flagged it.
Let's check the historical trends.
They're stable. We can optimize now.
This dashboard illustrates the fusion of technology, craftsmanship, and quality control in luxury garment production, transforming materials into superior fashion with efficiency and market leadership. High-speed quality inspection processes demonstrate sophisticated procedures to maintain exacting standards while supporting high-volume production. Automated systems use high-resolution imaging to detect
Priority shift on the Navy line. Accelerate the transport. Understood. Rerouting now. Confirm receipt at Station 3. Received. Quality check initiated. Log it. Resume flow. Our robotic systems handle repetitive tasks with precision. This allows us to focus on complex, quality-driven operations. Machine learning enhances our manufacturing capabilities.
In luxury garment production, real-time analytics guides skilled finishing specialists who execute hardware installation, lining attachment, and detail work with remarkable speed and precision. Quality control begins with visual inspection, verifying the material and construction integrity of each garment. Next, performance tests simulate wear, ensuring durability consistent polishing is quality. The process begins with verification, ensuring every detail is correct. Next, automated systems carefully wrap and protect the garment. Inserts are added before the package is sealed. Finally, it's labeled for shipment, maintaining full traceability. Global Logistics coordinates worldwide distribution of luxury garments, ensuring timely delivery and customer satisfaction. Customer service systems optimize production issues, enabling proactivity and meet global deliveries. Real-time systems collect data from all operations, giving us immediate feedback on quality and efficiency. We use statistic analysis to forecast trends and make proactive estimates. This drives our continuous improvement opportunities. Our workforce excellence programs ensure skilled personnel can operate advanced equipment, maintain quality and spring improvement. Cross-training and safety programs enhance flexibility and awareness for dynamic manufacturing. Our sustainability approach minimizes manufacturing impact while maintaining efficiency and quality standards that support our competitive position. Energy systems optimize production efficiency and biz profitability.
RBC systems all aim manufacturing aspects by the real-time visibility for schedules, inventory, and delivery performance. Advanced process compost standard and market operations.
Our quality excellence achievements demonstrate comprehensive systems ensuring luxury garments meet the highest standards for materials and construction. Statistical programs monitor manufacturing to identify trends, enabling improvements before issues arise. Supply chain excellence ensures reliable availability of high-quality materials, optimizing costs and maintaining flexibility in dynamic global fashion markets. Through strategic supplier relations,
Our operational excellence ensures consistent manufacturing quality and efficiency. This approach drives continuous improvement and our competitive edge. Global market excellence demonstrates how manufacturing capabilities support worldwide distribution and customer satisfaction while maintaining success in diverse international markets with varying requirements and customer preferences. Our innovation leadership drives breakthrough technologies, establishing industry leadership while maintaining manufacturing excellence. This approach ensures long-term competitive advantage in dynamic global markets. We honor heritage by blending traditional skills with modern tech, ensuring luxury garments meet the highest standards. Through apprenticeships, we pass down these traditions, preserving.
Advanced automation enhances luxury garment production, with robotic systems handling repetitive tasks precisely, envying efficiency requirements. This integrabilities while preserving skilled human jobs.
A continuous improvement culture demonstrates our commitment to enhancing manufacturing operations and maintaining quality standards. Employee and face suggestion programs offer lead-ins and sustained success. Our environmental stewardship programs minimize impact while maintaining efficiency and quality. Waste pros are proficiency and renewables, cutting emissions across the life cycling and diverting from land forestation. Our industry-leading quality systems ensure consistent production of luxury garments to strive for, and we integrate quality management, aligning objectives with customer needs, guests, and competitive advantage. Our advanced manufacturing systems integrate cutting-edge technologies, optimize performance and reliability due to high-quality luxury garments, while digital introduces cost and real-time coordination from design to distribution. Manufacturing flexibility is key for adapting to market changes while maintaining quality. Transitions. Cross-training and supplier networks ensure reliable, efficient production.
Premium materials are transformed into luxury garments. The pickle verification confirms products meet exacting standards for global markets. Metrics show substantial percent in global consistency and schedules.
our manufacturing excellence establishes global benchmarks for the luxury fashion industry, inspiring continuous innovation. This leadership legacy creates sustainable global growth. Here, advanced technology and skilled craftsmanship converge to create luxury fashion. This integration of innovation and tradition sets new standards in the global luxury market. Manufacturing innovation demonstrates a commitment to developing new technologies and processes that enhance competitive advantage. Research and development programs explore new materials and autonomous technologies for.
We collect detailed customer feedback to meet and exceed expectations.
Our quality assurance ensures every luxury garment meets the highest for our clients.
This approach drives our market leadership in luxury fashion.
Our legacy of manufacturing excellence provides the foundation for future innovation and market leadership. We ensure continuity by developing future leaders who driving sustained growth in global fashion markets.
At the pinnacle of luxury manufacturing, advanced technology and skilled craftsmanship converge.
Rigorous was the integration. The picker achievement drawn meets the highest excellence, art standard.
Manufacturing excellence enables worldwide success and establishes benchmarks, serves diverse markets, building loyalty and brand recognition. This is how we achieve global market leadership.